How to log into the Barclays app. First of all, open your browser and go to the official website by typing barclays.co.uk. Then tap on the login option at the top right corner of the screen. After that, a new page will appear where you can choose to log in using your membership number, card number or sort code and account number. Select your preferred option and enter the required details in the field provided. If you would like to save your login details for the next time, tick the Remember Me option and then tap Continue. Once done, you will be successfully logged into your account through the browser. If you want to log in from the app, open the Barclays app on your device. You will see the login screen asking for your 5-digit passcode. Enter the passcode carefully to proceed. If biometric login is enabled, such as fingerprint or face recognition, you can use that instead of entering your passcode manually. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be taken straight to your account dashboard. Now you know how to log into the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.